Welcome back to another video. We're currently out on the sprayer putting the pre-emergence on the barley, which on this field with the hill I've got is interesting. It's good fun. It's been an absolutely incredible start to October. The weather has been immense. What is it? It's the 9th of October today. It's about 22 degrees outside. The sun is shining. People are cutting grass and silaging and it's all going on. Quickly before we get into today's video, I just want to say a quick thank you to Mason's Kings again for their sponsorship. They are currently doing an offer with these hats here. There is a link below in the description whereby if you follow it, if you're after any sort of tools for your workshop or whatever, the first 50 people that purchase tools using the link in the description will be sent a free Masons and Kings hat. I know it doesn't look it right now, but we're on a bit of a... and I'll be happy when I get to the other end. Luckily Tom drilled off of this headland, so this is a perfect 24 metre swipe I'm doing. As you can see on there, we're filling in absolutely spot on. It is now the next morning, got all my spraying done yesterday afternoon. We are up at one of our off farms where our handling system is and our shed, and we're actually going to start weaning cattle today. So John, Andy and Dr. Phil are on their way up in the truck with the quad bike and a box. I've got the 155 and our big stock box. And we got two groups of cattle here. There's one this side of the road, one on the other side of the road. We're gonna get them in, weigh them, sort them out, and then we got some cold cows we want to take home. And that will be what we're doing today. Now we've got our new tracks, so we'll hopefully use them again today as well. I'm just waiting for the other guys to turn up. I had a bit of a head start on them. And then we'll sort out a plan, get going. Coming in hot. There was a big police presence at the A30. I didn't know if they were waiting for you or not.
Didn't see that. We couldn't see that. Oh, we slipped past them.
Look at my grass seeds here.
Quite dipping in early enough there, look.
Where's that? I know I got a bit missing there. I'm most upset about it. Look how well they look. Yeah. He'll graze them this year, I expect. God, look at it. Herbal lay, yeah. GS4.
It's a GS4 mix.
It's a GS4 mix.
It's meant to be doing back my place.
Back my place?
I can't do it now.
Back my place, content coming soon. Right, John's got the cows coming. Got the drone up in the sky. Me and Dr. Phil are going to block this road. Yeah. Like some base. So hopefully cows will appear here any moment.
You got me feeling like a firebolt high in the sky, looking like a thunderstorm, boy. Here we go, You're easy to remember, so hard to forget. And that baby is a coward way strut. How could I not worship every inch your feet have touched? Baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe. There's only one of you, baby. Run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe. There's no more clouds on the freeway. Now tell me you'll stay. Gonna now and last all day. Here we go. Rose bed, fancy hotels, girl, you know. Baby, run away with me. You kill it lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe. There's only one of you, baby. Run away with me. Don't leave me lonely. You make my eyes unsee. All the crazy. You make my heart believe.
Well, that's easier.
Yes. That is a hell of a lot easier than running them down the road.
Josh had trusted me with the camera.
I've got to try and avoid power lines with the drone, see?
Oh yeah, so he's flying and getting this amazing day recorded from the air. Got a bit of a day today weaning the cattle, or starting to wean them. It'll take 2 or 3 days to get through them all. We're taking our Orders from the Bowmanator for a few hours. Yeah, he is in charge. We got Jonesy with us today. He's under apprenticeship instruction from John, head herdsman. What are you assessing him on, John?
What am I assessing him on?
Yeah.
Size of his testicles, mainly.
Yeah, apparently Jonesy has won awards for that, apparently.
Very noisy.
Yeah. Some sort of noise cancelling headset would be brilliant.
We need that. We need like those headsets you get with a little microphone on so we can speak to each other. Yeah, it's exactly that.
A shout out. Can somebody sponsor those airport
style headsets?
Yeah.
What are they? Radio headsets.
Radio headsets.
Yeah, there we are.
We'll try them out. Location.
We'll give them a go. Give anything a go once. We've got Corporal Jones. He's going to be driving cows up. And then we've got to split them out from cows and calves. And then there's also some cull cows we want to take home. So John's just making a list of those. And then we'll be good to go. Chalky. Nice. Right, so that is the first group done. These are all the calves in here. And all the cows are out there. We're going to run them back to a field way over that way, the opposite side of the road where they come from, so that they can't see each other or hear each other. John's just going to go ahead on the bike, make sure it's ready from where they're going, because fencer field's down their hedge trimming, so hopefully he's not left any gates open. But me and the doc will stand in the road. We're ready to let them all across. It took just about an hour to do 102 cows through the crush. Everything was weighed, and then we had I think we had 4 animals we had to do treatments to. We had 2 with bad eyes and 2 that were lame that we gave some painkiller to. All in all, not bad. I'm glad we cleaned this shed out. So the second group isn't going quite so well. It's all Jonesy's fault. They recognise a fellow sheep man. They know something's up. But we are cornering them into submission. Look at the size of this one. So this cow here, Jonesy said looked a bit frothy and sounded a bit rattly in the race. John's just taking a temperature and it's just above 40. So cow's temperature should be about 38.5, perhaps a little bit higher. John's going to give her some antibiotics. She's obviously got something going on with her. It ain't quite right. But these are the cows that we've weaned. So as we're weaning them, calves go in here into the shed, cows go into here, and any culls are going over there in that pen. We let like 15 or so out into here at a time, run them down the race, around the back. They always go beyond this gate, which is very annoying. So yeah, this cow's having some alomycin, it's a long-acting antibiotic. Hopefully that'll clear up whatever's going on with her. We don't really know what it is. So then we got a race full of cows here. We've got the time lapse on. Cows and calves as they come through. Everything's just getting weighed as it comes through. Weight comes up on here, and as soon as you scan them, it comes up on the app there. We'll cross these off as we go. Get that one. So the cull cows, which are now over there, they're being picked out for various reasons. Some of them have got bad feet, some of them aren't in calf. Some of them have got udders that won't go another season. There's not one thing. So far, all the calves seem to have done around the 1 to 1.2 kilos a day. live weight gain. The last time they would have been weighed was when they were born, so it's all been fairly consistent so far, which is good. Well done, calves. That is 2 out of 3 groups now weaned. Cows aren't too happy about it. They'll be fine, they'll get over it. It's obviously not the nicest job in the world, this weaning, but it is a very important job. You've got to do it because these guys are all pregnant with their next calf and they need a bit of time off from having the calves on them before going again. It's a bit like in a dairy herd, you would dry them off for 2 months before they calve. So essentially the same thing. Right, here they go. This lot wouldn't have been across this yet, so this is all new to them, but they don't seem to bat an eyelid. There's Horny Cow. That was good actually, we managed to hold him up there whilst the traffic come through. Traffic!
Oh, is that what it was?
Hey, do you hear matey lock up? There's a chap with like 3 RSJs on the back of his trailer. Absolutely flying along here. There are 2 cars coming the other way, so we just anchored up. We just see them.
Oh yeah. You can smell it.
Feels
Yeah.
the rubber in here, yeah.
1 down, 1 up. Get on, black cow. Yes! King of the bale.
Go on, keep going. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at the big girls. Up you go!
Big girls, you are beautiful.
Go on.
Another one in there. We don't need to.
No, I don't.
7 in Devon. Right, we are heading home, but we're about to cause a bit of a road closure here. John's going to back out with the box up that way, and then we're going to come out with the truck in front of him. Then me, Phil and Jonesy are going to head back in the truck and start with the calf feeding because it's about that time of day. John's going to come back with this one, with the cull cows in, drop them off and then come back up and get the other 7 that are here. And then John actually lives this way when he goes home at night, so he'll come back and just make sure all the calves are where they're supposed to be. Put my tractor in a hole. Ah, good day, good day. I'm here, boys.
Thank God, we were worried. Yes.
What a day it has been. Well, we are all done. Calves are fed. John's just on his way home with the last load of cows. Me and Gus are headed home for tea. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It is completely free. Thank you to Masons and Kings for being the sponsor of today's video. There's a link in the description to one of their pages on their website where they sell their tools. If you want a free hat, buy some tools, use the code JM Farming. All the information's down in the description and they'll send you a free hat. And I'll see you on another video very soon. Cheerio.